Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Let's talk about how you're going to use the new PLR videos on creating sales funnels. And you can get them at the plrshow.com/SFPBR. That stands for a revised version of Sales Funnel Playbook. And let's talk about what this course is going to do. Um, Basically, this is a 1.5 version because I'm actually going to be doing a second follow-up version of this course. There is a 1.0 version, which I am including as part of this package. And so basically, this updates that course. And that course is still relevant because the fundamentals of how you set up sales funnels on a technical basis are still the same. Those things have not changed, and even the networks that I demonstrated in that course are still relevant. So you can still use those videos. You're going to use this 1.5 version right on top of that one. You may have to pick and choose videos from that other course, but you can basically combine the two into a bigger course. That course has 20 videos. This course has 20 videos. So you'll be able to create a bigger course just depending on who who your niche is. It basically teaches how to set up a funnel. And so basically the first maybe 9 or 10 videos are really kind of focused on some fundamentals that kind of touch on some of the things I did in the 1.0 course. I do go over bump offers, and that's going to be kind of more important as time goes forward. More people are using them. It really depends on, I guess, your status at Warrior Plus as to whether or not you have that option. But I did teach that just in case inside of the course. So it does teach that, but we also taught how to set up bump offers on some of the other platforms. Also, it basically teaches how to set up a funnel within a funnel. So in other words, maybe when your customer is coming through the funnel and you're going to show them, let's say, 3 offers: an upsell, second upsell, third upsell, but you don't want to show them a fourth or a fifth. What you're going to do is you're going to take that other offer, you're going to put that maybe on your thank you page or in an email, but then you still want the affiliate to be credited for that sale and anything else that's going to be in a second funnel. So we demonstrate that. So basically, we kind of showed how you can create a funnel within a funnel. It's kind of an advanced skill, but it's something that your customers, I think they will benefit from. And so all of that said, one of the things that I focused on in this course, teaching your customers, is the fact that some of these things are affiliate concerns. Yes, the more people that you get buying the stuff in your funnel, the more money you're going to make. But one of the real benefits of understanding how to do this well is that your affiliates are going to be more motivated to promote for you because they're going to make more. So basically understanding those little twists and turns so that your affiliates get the maximum amount of revenue, and that's going to be important as you build, those affiliate relationships. So basically, all of this is the technical setup on Warrior Plus, on Teachable, if you use a course platform. And remember, when you talk about using a course platform, the course platforms are going to be the same across the board. So Teachable is not going to be any different than Thinkific or Learn Worlds or anything like that. So when you understand how to do some of these things in a course platform, that's going to benefit you in some of these other areas. We kind of taught that in this session. And then we also taught ThriveCart just in case your customer wants to understand how to build these sales funnels in a shopping cart system like ThriveCart. ThriveCart's kind of unique, but the systems of how to build sales funnels inside of a shopping cart, they're going to be pretty much the same. And so that's what this course is going to show your customers how to do. And these are fundamentals, right? So these are things that if you're going to be a teacher, if you are going to be teaching other people how to maximize their revenue in their online business, you have to teach these things. And so just like all the other courses that we do, my vision for this course is that you have it inside of your video academy, that you are teaching it and using it as education. So this is, again, fundamental education. You need to have this inside your member area. And then regardless of how you sell it, you need to make sure that the things that I teach in this course are things that your customer can actually do if they're going to repeatedly do things that are going to generate more income for themselves. So again, hopefully you are building out your video academy. If you're not, make sure that you are signed up as an Ultimate Insider. That's where we help you to do that. We give you a platform that'll help you to do that. That's a bonus part of the course. Obviously, the most important part is that we're going to be giving you that business education to put inside of your membership academy. And that's going to be the thing that you want to use to boost up the value. So you might have a membership, but do you have one that teaches every skill that your customer really needs? That's what we supply to you. We supply that to you, and that's one of the reasons why that Ultimate Insiders get our content at 50% off, because I really want people to be able to take that content, put it inside their video academy, and to build the kind of continuity offer that is going to be a sustainable income for them. So again, if you don't have a lot of content to put inside your membership, if you don't have a platform, again, I don't want people joining for the platform because I'm not in the software business, but we do provide a platform for Ultimate Insiders to put that content in. If you don't have Sales Funnel Playbook, PLR, there is a launch day coupon for the next 2 days. I decided to do it for 48 hours this time instead of 24. Go to the this week's discounts area of the plrshow.com/community. You'll be able to get a launch day coupon for Sales Funnel Playbook. It'll be 14% off the entire funnel, and you can use it for the next, I'd say, until Sunday night at midnight, I think, PST. Okay, and then again, Sales Funnel Playbook, PLR videos, you can get them at the plrshow.com/SFPBR, and that's where you can get the videos. So that's really it for today. I hope that this PLR game plan has been helpful for you. I will be back at you hopefully tomorrow. Have a great day and a pleasant tomorrow. Take care.